Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account in Instagram. So the first thing that you're going to do is to download your Instagram application. You can go right here on Google Play Store and try to go to search box and find Instagram and just tap that install button. Now once you finish, tap on open, and here I just want to tap this create new account at the bottom, and you can now put your mobile number. Now once you've done, you can now tap this next button, and then here you can put your full name. So for this sample, I just want to put here fast fix and then tap on next, and you can also create a password. Then you will find this save your login info. I just want to tap this not now, and you just put what's your birthday, so you can set the date, the month, the date, and the year. So tap on next, and you can now create a username or just let the Instagram give you your username that is available. And here you can read all the terms and conditions, and once you've done, you can now tap on I agree. Then you are now on the final stage. You can add your profile picture or just skip this one. Then you will find this saying that welcome to Instagram. Let's start customizing your experience. So get Facebook suggestions. So this one, try to tap on skip and then skip. And finally, I just want to skip right here and choose your interest. You just tap on next. And finally, you have now your new account in Instagram. So that's how you basically create an account on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.